Hi, I'm Joe, lead engineer at Shawcity, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the PTFE filter on your Tiger XT. Firstly, make sure your Tiger XT is switched off. Unscrew the filter cap and lift off the probe assembly. Using your fingers, remove the O-ring and filter from the Tiger XT. Place a new filter into the body. Attach the O-ring on the filter clamp and ensure that it's secured firmly, and then attach it to the instrument. Reattach the filter housing cap back onto the instrument, or else it will not provide an adequate seal. Also, ensure the filter housing cap is not over tightened, as this may cause damage. To ensure the sensor is working correctly, it's important to have regular filter changes. This is because the filter could come across dust, moisture and any other particles. Iron Science recommend that you replace the filter after every 100 hours of use.